video today. I'm a little bit nervous, but I hope you guys love my video.
Where are we going today?
We're going to Toys R Us.
And it's your...
First time.
So you're really...
Excited.
And what are we going to do there?
We're going to buy Shopkins Season 3, and then we're going to unbox them.
All right, let's go.
Yay! Alright, we're at Toys R Us, which is right behind me, and we're gonna go in just a minute to buy Shopkins Season 3.
Where are they?
They're right over here.
What's there? What do they have?
They have Shopkins Season 3.
Look at the packages. What is it? What do they have there?
It's Shopkins Season 3.
What's in the packages?
Shopkins. Alright guys, we're gonna get this Shopkins So Cool fridge because it is missing from my collection. So we wanna get this, and then we're gonna go over here. And we're gonna get 2 of these little mystery packs. And then we're gonna go back here and we're gonna get this Shopkins Season 3. And now we're gonna go home so we can unbox them. Alright guys, we're back home with our Shopkins, and here's a Shopkins So Cool fridge. And over here we have the Shopkins Season 3 12-pack. And over here we have 2 of the mystery 2-packs from Season 3. And then the poster that they gave us for free. Alright guys, we're going to unbox the Shopkins So Cool fridge so we can see what's going on in there.
All right, what's this?
These are the Shopkins stickers that you can put on your fridge. I believe when you open them, they can fold out. My mom is gonna get some more in there. Alright, these are the stickers over here. We've got this little sheet. It's got some eggs over here and pictures of Shopkins, and then, you know, like little stars and hearts. And then we've got another one, which over here, there is a little shopping list, pictures of Shopkins and all kinds of stuff, like pictures. And then we have our little 2 purple bags over here. We've got the Shopkins fridge, which we can take off all the rubber bands first. Here's the little cup that it comes with that I told you that works with the little freezer.
What are these?
Those are the little eggs. Those are the little eggs over here that it comes with.
And what's in here?
This is the freezer, which is Shopkins over there. Mommy, can you help me, please? Thank you.
Which Shopkins are these?
These are this is soda. And this is frozen yogurt, I think. Which now I'm gonna show you, but I'm gonna put this little frozen yogurt in the freezer. And then you see, you take the cup and press on this, And out comes the Shopkin in your cup. Be careful, Mommy. You don't want to break them. Then these are the little eggs that it comes with. See the little faces? Got one over here. I think they are 6. And then we've got like this little happy, silly face. And then last but not least, we have this one, little happy face. Which now I'm gonna put these back in their little crate thing. Mommy, can you please help me get them back in? Now I'm gonna put them back in their little holders. And there are 6 of them over here. Which they are just plastic. They're not like, they are just plastic. They're not like, you know, like actually feel like they're gonna crack or anything. We have our eggs, our frozen yogurt and soda in our Shopkins So Cool fridge, and we're gonna move on to our Season 3 12-pack.
What is that?
This is my Season 3 12-pack that we're opening up. Alright guys, we have just finished opening up these over here. And this over here we've got our mystery blind bags. They're 2 packs actually. And then we have 2 of them, and I can't wait to see what we have in here. Can you help me please, Mommy? And we've got this one over here. And then we've got a match, but they're different colors over here. So I'm just gonna put her on top. And that is all we have. Well, we do have one more over here. And we've got this one over here. And then over here, we've got this one over, this little one. That is all we have for today. I hope you have a good day. Bye. Alright guys, I hope you loved my video. Please subscribe to my channel. More videos are coming up very, very soon. Love you guys. Bye.